Do you hear the voiceless words of universe whispering to your ears every moment, every day? All through the universe, seen by eyes, basically things are known as their physical existence. They are determined with their dimensions, with lengths, heights, and other material features and characteristics. That is to say, everything we see is made of substance at the first look. However, the substance is talking by the means of human being and bringing some concepts which cannot be evaluated as material, such as thoughts and most of time as feelings and emotions. They are not substance. So that means material substance is producing some concepts and meanings which are non-material. In short, our conversations, emotions and feelings and the speeches of animal beings cannot be sized through the dimensions of the substance. These speeches answering each other questions and our feelings cannot be placed in material world. They all address us, the spiritual world. Since substance itself is dead, blind and deaf, it would be related only with its current place and its current time without any comprehension and perception. But there is life in front of our eyes, have non-material relations and bounds and connections all through the universe. These belong and define the spiritual world. The substance could only exist only with a meaning which is spiritual. The spiritual world is concerned with the formulas representing the laws of the universe. All dead, blind and deaf particles of the substance are pursuing those formulas almost at the speed of the light. But those formulas are not related only with their current time and place. The dead particles realizing a job with high care are showing a sign of life. The substance all around the macro universe and all the particles in micro universe continuously moving from one state to another with precise balance are coming into existence and being formed by the embodiments and manifestations and alterations of the spiritual world. These formulas, which are the soul of the substance, are voices to speak of material and of the universe. We just see translations and movements of material pursuing highly intensively orders. And we put a letter for each concept, then form a formula defining great order. By this way, material starts to talk with us, just like voice coming from our vocal cords, with our breath is becoming a letter through the outlets of our mouth. The laws of the universe are voices to speak. Our voices speaking through limits of unlimited universe. The same laws are focused on our head, very narrow area to speak with voice, such as electricity and vibration laws are performing together throughout our brain and vocal cords and natural tissues to be able to speak with voice. Furthermore, every particle is vibrating and transforming to realize a formula. For example, the atoms of the iron element are vibrating on the basis of knowledge, which is called a specific law, its own formula. And subparticles of atom are also moving like this. And solar systems and nebulas, all the nebulas, are performing highly precise orders like a mission a soldier must proceed with. If you pay attention to searching signs and traces of intelligence and life through the universe, you may see that we miss something obvious and crucially important from our vision. The universe and all atoms and subparticles are talking with us. without noise on the basis of knowledge. We do not consider that mankind built his civilization and constructed the science on the basis of knowledge, means formulas obtained from the universe. An element cannot exist if it doesn't carry out its duties, missions, on the roots of its own formula. The same way, every being in the universe has special formula, means knowledge that makes them themselves a being. We call this great performance of succeeding the missions of its own formula the special glorifications of them for whom made it so. Just as marvelous master makes a highly complicated machine running very well on the basis of his art, and this art needs great and extraordinary knowledge, science, will, and power. As the machinery accomplishes its complex duty, it shows a great performance and gives every result that his master aims. This would make his master highly pleased and make the spectators appreciate it very much. It is like performing a poem of eulogy to him. The glorifications of all beings are highly relevant to this fact. The secret master, who is behind the curtains of unseen, is making this universe, voices the speaking, by every smallest particle and by all beings. We call him God. He is manifesting himself to the eyes which have vision and attentive minds by expressing glorifications of these marvelous arts, carrying eulogies his perfections. As the reflection of voicelessly speaking universe, our head is become a phonograph, strained from the laws of the universe to speak with voice. And we announce our words and feelings to God by saying, "Thank you for everything."